Welcome to Fragrance Remix Lab, your ultimate destination for exploring the art and science of crafting iconic fragrances. Today, we are thrilled to share with you our journey in recreating the enchanting and timeless fragrance, Nina by Ricci. This captivating scent, designed as a modern fairy tale for a younger audience, is a delightful blend of floral, fruity, and gourmand accords. It opens with a sparkling and joyful combination of Amalfi lemon and lime, evoking feelings of spontaneity and carefree laughter. As it transitions into the heart, the fragrance takes on a sweet and indulgent character, with the juicy crispness of Granny Smith apple, the luscious decadence of praline, and the delicate floral touch of peony and exotic moonflower, datura. This composition creates an aroma reminiscent of candied fruits wrapped in a veil of elegance. The base notes then settle into a warm, sensual trail with the comforting essence of apple tree, the earthy sophistication of Virginia cedar, and the soft, balmy allure of musk, leaving a memorable and long-lasting impression. Crafted by the renowned perfumers Olivier Cresp and Jacques Cavalier, this 2006 masterpiece is truly a testament to the artistry of perfumery. Inspired by this exquisite creation, we at Fragrance Remix Lab have meticulously crafted a perfect impression of Nina by Ricci, ensuring that every note and accord is faithfully represented. To achieve this, we began with 19 milliliters of high-quality fragrance oil, which forms the foundation of a 50 milliliters perfume. This pure perfume oil is readily available in the market. Next, we added perfume-grade ethanol, a critical component that can sometimes pose a challenge to obtain, especially in Asian countries, where ensuring its authenticity is paramount for crafting a flawless fragrance. To enhance the elegance of the scent, we incorporated 3 drops of Hedione, a magical ingredient that elevates the overall profile. Additionally, to address the inherent chemical smell of ethanol, we pre-treated it a few days earlier with Glaxolide, ensuring a smooth and refined base. Finally, after careful blending, we assembled the perfume by attaching the pump and labeling the bottle. The fragrance will now be left to mature for 16 to 30 days, allowing the ingredients to harmonize and develop their full potential, resulting in a beautifully balanced and luxurious perfume. We take immense pride in bringing this incredible creation to you and invite you to experience the magic of Nina by Ricci through our impression. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so we encourage you to share your thoughts and comments on this process and our final product. If you enjoy our content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Be sure to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on our future creations and tutorials. Thank you for being a part of Fragrance Remix Lab, where passion and creativity come together to deliver the finest scents to your doorstep.